In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your new Expression Photo XP 8800 printer to your computer. So first of all, if this is a brand new printer, you need to initially set up your printer. You need to follow the setup like installation guide that came with the printer. So this is how this installation guide will look like. You have to unpack your printer, load the ink and load the paper in the printer. So this is the setup guide, installation guide. You need to follow it and initially set up your printer. Once the printer is set up, you can go to the epson.com website to download the software so you can set up your printer in the computer wirelessly to print anything from your computer. So you need to go to the epson.com. This is the epson.com website and you need to click on the support tab here. And once you click on the support tab, you need to click on the printer icon because we are setting up a printer, and that's where this is a search bar. This is where you need to type your printer name. You can simply type XP 8800 and it will show your printer. This is your printer, so Epson XP 8800 series, and so this is your printer, right? You need to click on the download tab. You can see the download tab is already selected, and here you have to choose your operating system. Like you have Windows 10, Windows 11. In my case, I have Windows 10, so I'll select Windows 10. If you have other than Windows operating system like Mac computer, so you can scroll down and select your Mac operating system from here. So I'm going to select my operating system, which is Windows 10, and I'll click on go, and I will see the printer driver down below here. It's coming up. Just give it few seconds. I think let me refresh it little bit. Right here you can see I'm going to click on download, so it will be downloaded up to the top right corner. If you have Chrome or even if you have other browser, most of the browser have the download icon at the top right corner. That's where you need to look for the downloaded file. You need to double click on that downloaded file so the installation of this printer will begin in your computer. It will give you a step-by-step instruction to set up your printer, so you can follow the instruction. If you have any question, you can type it in the comment box. I'll also provide you the link of the driver and the setup and the installation guide in the video description. So thank you so much for watching.